Hi there, in this video we are going to talk about PHP JSON. So what is JSON? JSON is a text-based format and used to exchange data between two servers. So TXT is a text format. Similarly, JSON is kind of similar format. And PHP has two built-in functions to handle JSON. So let's see one by one. So two functions. One is JSON encode, which will convert a value to JSON format, and another one is JSON decode, which is reverse to JSON encode. So first let's see JSON encode, and let's create a file json.php. So it is used to convert mainly array, so that we can easily send array in JSON format instead of array format. So let's take this example, names array. So I'm creating an array of names. So first let's print the array and let's see how it looks. So this is an array, you all know. Now let's convert this array into JSON format. So JSON encode and names, and now let's see how it looks. So this is an array and this is a JSON encode version of the array. Now let's try to add a key over here. So when we add any key, so array will convert into JSON something like this: key colon then value. So this is a JSON format. Let me var dump this. So it is a string type. So JSON is one kind of text, as I already mentioned in the beginning of here. It's a text-based format. Let me remove this. So we encoded this JSON and encoded this array, and we got the JSON format. Now let's see JSON decode, which convert JSON object or array into PHP object or an array. So we already have this JSON. Now let's decode it. Now let's see what we get. So if we don't specify any argument, second argument, so as you can see the second argument is associative. So whether we want to have the data in the format of array or an object. So if we don't specify true, it will return an object like this. Now let me add true here. So it should be converted into array. So that's that. Now instead of names, let's try to just add a string, and let me comment this. Now let's try to echo this. So it is giving like this. Let's try to do it this way. So yeah, a single value will convert JSON encode like this. But as I said, this is mainly used for converting arrays. And yeah, this is how JSON encode decode works in PHP. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys.